Oldu.
My name is Rushan Abbas and I'm here visiting from the United States. Abdurrahim Ghani here, he is from the Netherlands. We both are here as a part of the World Uyghur Congress, a week-long advocacy activism here in the front of the United Nations, the call to UN action. My sister, Dr. Gulshan Abbas, has been missing since September 2018 as retaliation by the Chinese government for my advocacy and activism in America as an American citizen. Abdurrahim Ghani has been protesting for Chinese government's crimes against humanity and the exposing his entire family missing for past 2-3 years. He has been advocating for Uyghur people. He's one of the prominent Uyghur activists. He has been protesting every weekend in past 2 years in Amsterdam. Please be the voice for those millions of people who are suffering in Chinese concentration camps. What I talked here, my sister and Mr. Abdurrahim Ghani's family are example of one of the 3 million or more the innocent Uyghur people being adopted by the Chinese government and the suffering in Chinese concentration camps. Their crimes are being Uyghurs and being Muslims. The Chinese government is basically treating the Uyghur as a criminal status, treating Islam as a mental disease. The world community needs to take action against China's crimes of genocide against the Uyghur people. It's time to take action, otherwise it's too late.